Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best SSDs for server that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the WD Gold SN600 SSD for server. Thanks to high data transfer speeds, NVMe SSDs are used in servers more and more. The WD Gold SN600 can read at up to 3,100 megabytes per second and write at 2,000 megabytes per second. While actual numbers vary by capacity, even the base model will be at least twice as fast as a SATA drive. This series is actually a rebranding of the UltraStar DCSN640 product line. The new SSDs use the same technology and the 96-layer BICS43DTLC NAND flash memory. The drive has power loss protection and supports secure data erase. Considering the 0.8 DWPD endurance, the COVALENTS1N600 will not be suitable for extreme write-intensive applications like cache storage. However, it is a great option for mixed and read-centric workloads. Moving on at number 4, we have the Seagate Nytro 3531 Server SSD. Intel Optane SSDs with 3D X-Point technology are remarkably durable. They can write tens of petabytes of data throughout their lifespan. By comparison, most typical SSDs have a lifespan measured in terabytes. Furthermore, Optane devices are exceptionally good at handling random memory requests, producing up to 575,550 thousandths IOPS for reads and writes. The Optane SSD 905P delivers high quality of service and remains responsive during concurrent I/O operations. If you run write-heavy workloads, this is an excellent choice. The series consists of 3 form factors: add-in card, U2, and M.2, though storage capacity options are limited. Intel also has a separate Optane range for data centers with even higher DWPD and enhanced power loss protection, but they cost significantly more. At number 3, we have the Micron 9300 Max SSD for server. The Micron 9300 family is represented by the Pro and Max versions. They are based on the same hardware, but the Max version has more space reserved for over-provisioning. This gave higher random write speeds. The Micron 9300 Max provides unmatched performance at high queue depths, topping its closest competitors. Sequential read and write speeds of up to 3,500 megabytes per second can be achieved, near the 4-lane PCIe 3.0 limit. The drive delivers a full enterprise feature set. For more efficient use of the storage, administrators can define up to 32 namespaces. With that, a single device will appear as multiple logical SSDs, allowing for more parallel sessions. The drives are designed to write from 18.6 to 74.7 petabytes of data. At number 2, we have the Kingston District of Columbia 500R Server SSD. The Kingston DC500R is designed for read-centric applications, as indicated by the R in the name. It is the most affordable model of the range, which is equipped with capacitors for protection against accidental power loss. Thus, the risk of data loss is significantly reduced. The SATA interface limits the maximum read and write speeds, however the DC500R is compatible with most existing server platforms. The metal casing helps dissipate heat, preventing the controller from overheating. The Kingston SSD Manager utility lets you not only monitor the health of the drive, but also configure the over-provisioning area. By slightly reducing the space available to the user, administrators can improve the performance and increase the lifespan of the drive. If your server needs to handle a lot of write operations, it is worth paying attention to the top-of-the-line Kingston DC500M with a DWPD rating of 1.3. And finally at number 1, we have the Seagate Nytro SSD for server. Modern NVMe SSDs cannot be directly connected to SAS-based hardware. That's why it's too early to dismiss SAS drives. The Seagate Nytro series is designed for demanding enterprise applications and to reduce the total cost of ownership. The high-capacity models support dual-port functionality, allowing them to read data at 2,200 megabytes per second and write at 1,550 megabytes per second, 1,000 megabyte per second for the basic 800 gigabytes version. Another advantage is endurance. The Nytro can be fully rewritten up to 3 times a day for its entire lifespan. The drive is suitable for write-intensive workloads, such as processing of time-critical online transactions, OLTP, server virtualization, and email services.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.